Hi, have you ever wondered about how to make wider vocals? Then this is a video for you. I'm Mitchell from Soundbridge, a professional DJ and producer, and I will be showing you this neat trick in less than 2 minutes. Now, before we dive into the tutorial, please hit the like, subscribe and notification buttons, so you keep getting content like this that helps you improve your craft as a musician. The process of integrating vocal lines inside the mix might be pretty tricky, especially if you are aiming for the vocals that sit in the top of the mix and are clearly heard by the listener. This tutorial will primarily concentrate on a technique aimed at enhancing the width of the vocal recordings. As you can see from the project, I have made a couple of copies of the main vocal and processed them with Melodyne, where I have utilized changes in pitch, timing and format of the vocal layers. The result was noticeable change in vocal width and thickness, as you can hear. So let's hear the vocal without and then with the layers.
I've stopped fighting my mind. I'm clothed, but naked inside. I've stopped fighting my mind. I'm clothed, but naked inside.
And now in the context of the full mix.
I've stopped fighting my mind. I'm clothed, but naked inside. Dress me with love and light. Carry me to the other side.
I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.